Thank you, Kuldeep ji and other panelists along with your team. So I'll talk about the role of a single integrated application for managing the all aspects of a dairy organization. My other team members have already told about the procurement side of the dairy and the distribution side of the dairy. So what we are talking about here is, Shan, next slide please. So basically we have been working with dairy sector for last 6-7 years for the enterprise applications only. We are not doing anything else other than that. So what we are developed homegrown application which talks about the procurement from the farmer level and then to the BMCs, MCCs and taking it to the my plant level where the all milk products have been converted from milk. So it is all automated from a single application. And we have been integrated this application with my accounts and finance also, so that at the management level they can see all in one single application, all the dashboards, all the related reports, so that they can make a decision wisely accordingly with the accurate data. So next. So this is the whole picture where we have been working, starting from the dairy farms, farmers, where the milk is being procured, and it comes to the village level center. There also the milk is getting collected by the small tankers and transported it to the BMCs or the MCCs. This particular part we can do the integration with existing application providers, any other company who is dealing into this collection, like we heard about Stellapse, Benny. At few of our accounts, we have integrated Benny procurement cycle with our system, and most of the other clients we have been working as a single integrated application. So we provide the flexibility to the end customer, wherein he may choose procurement from other party or he can take procurement from us also. So once this procurement is done at BMC level, then it has to be transported to my main processing center or the plant, where it will be converted into the various milk products. The clients for which we are working for last 7-8 years, they are all starting from few thousand procurement to multiple lakhs. So we have that area of expertise where our system is capable enough of converting every product into from my milk in the any dairy product, be it full cream, SMT, ghee, whey protein, any dairy product. Like we are working with Telangana Dairy, which is a state cooperative. They are already doing it for 150 milk chilling centers with our system odd, and then around 15-16 processing plants they are doing it with our single system. So we have that capability there where we can address the pain and areas of each and every department level. Next slide. So this is the brief of our integrated solution, where we talk about the milk procurement from farmers, societies, BMCs. Then at the society level, most of the people are doing the sales of cattle feed, the input services they are giving. So in a single umbrella, what we are giving is at the time of milk payment cycle, we are all capturing this sales part also, so that all deductions can be made at the type of milk payment cycle, and the net payment can only be transferred to the farmer or as well as the societies or the secretaries. As we are working with private as well as the cooperative sector, we have our experience of farmer level payment also, where in the cooperative we can do direct farmer payment from the bank account, and in the private sector, mainly in the northern part of India where we are working, most of the companies are doing it through the society or the agents. So we have both the options there. we have that flexibility. Whatever the organization wants, we can do that. We have integrated this whole application with the all testing equipments, wherein the milk weighing scale, then as well as the fat SNF machine for the for the taking of the output parameters from those system automatically without doing any manual intervention. So we are doing it at a remote level, at the chilling center level. And in India, we have a very unique problem of the connectivity, which everybody is all aware. So for an integrated application, it is very important to have that connectivity in place. But for dairy industry, it is not possible to have that connectivity 24/7. So what we have given a solution to this is we have given a milk procurement system offline mode also, wherein if the connectivity is not there with the central server, the collection will happen at the village level as well as the MCC level. And once the connectivity is maintained, automatically those data will be synchronized at the central server without any manual intervention. So in a way, it is all integrated. So we have integrated this with all weighing scale, flow meters, as well as the milk sort systems also. So we are processing all the fat SNF across the value chain. We have given all the related reports across all the modules like sales and distribution, retail sale, modern trade, and XYZ. So this whole system is also integrated with my finance and accounts, wherein if somebody is using Tally also as an accounting system, and if they want to upgrade from Tally to this system, we can do that very easily. And otherwise, if they want to continue with Tally, then also we are more comfortable and we are more flexible and integrating this solution with the Tally system, or for that matter, any other accounting system. So next slide, please, Shan. Shan, next, yeah. So this is what we are offering here in the integrated system. We have the processes at one side and the module at the other level. For milk procurement, we have the milk procurement module, which talks about the farmer level procurement as well as the contract level procurement. In the private industry, we have some companies who are procuring milk from the private contractors also. So we have automated that part also in the same system. Then we have a very standard material management system which takes care of the purchase and all that stuff. And then we have the very important and the heart of this dairy system is the processing. We have many players in the country who are dealing with the procurement as well as the distribution part. But in the middle, there is a processing and the production is also required, which we have automated in this system. After the production, we have the sales and distribution, which is enabled with a additional mobile app also, which is being used by few of the clients at their distributor level also, at the retailer level also. Then this the whole umbrella is integrated with my finance and account system also, which means that everybody has to log in into the same system, not have to do multiple logins for finance, accounts, HR, payroll as well. So next slide, please. So this is all we have in the milk procurement system at 3 levels. First level is the milk producer, where we talk about the producer, farmer, which came at the village level center, give milk to the societies, and in the small vehicles, it gets converted into the vehicle and then transported to filling center, and then it transported to the factory outlets, or sorry, the factory processing units. So likewise, we have other modules also. I will not take much of the time into these specific modules. We can discuss later on one-to-one if required. So Prashant, please get me to the next slide. This is the LMP process, the liquid milk production process at the plant level, wherein all process have been automated using bill of material. The automation is there at plant with this system. Inventory is all maintained. PAT SNF reconciliation is all there for management as well as the department heads. So likewise, once the product is ready, next slide, Prashant. Once the product is ready, with the help of materials, the packing material and all other stuff, which is a very generic in the nature, it comes with every standard ERP system. So we have not done anything great here. What we have done is we have enabled this whole system into a single integrated system. So the next slide, Prashant. So then we have the sales and distribution model, wherein the invoicing can be done from the system terminal as well as from the mobile app also. This mobile app is being used by a few of our existing clients at their retailer as well as the distributor level. Then we have this heart of the system along with procurement and other stuff. We have the financial management also, wherein we are managing all the debtors, all the creditors along with cash and bank. We are doing bank reconciliation. We are able to generate the P&L, balance sheet, the trial balance from this very system. We can see the consumption accounting also. We can do the branch accounting also. We are managing the cost center. So this is all what we have in the system. Next. So on top of it, we have been providing with the management dashboard also, wherein system will give you a flexibility to draw whatever reports, whatever the graphical reports be in the shape of bar chart, pie chart. It can be dynamically developed by the user itself. As an example, we have shown you few of these graphical reports wherein you can see the top 10 customers who are dealing. We can have this drill down feature all across the system wherein you can see the base document along with the top line documents in the system. So we have this management dashboard also for each and every department heads and whosoever is given the responsibility of managing this system. Next. So this is again a simple example of a dashboard which talks about the P&L. It gives you a top 5 expenses, top 5 customers also yearly. You can compare year on year, month on month, and then you can see the top 5 items also for which you are dealing with. Then you can see the bottoms also, which part is not working very well. So you can take the corrective actions to correct those parameters also. So likewise, we have the dashboard for all across the departments. These are the few sample sheets which have been shared with you. Next. So all in all, here what we are talking about the benefits an organization can make using the integrated system. So the all departments, the all organization will come under a same common platform, which improves the process improvement and the data visibility is there. Once the process is improved and visibility of data is there, then obviously there will be a cost reduction and it will help us in making the decision accurately and correctly and on timely basis. And then we have these infrastructure capability and performance outcomes. This is what we can derive from the ERP system. Next. So here we are trying to say what all the potential improvements that can happen using the integrated system across all processes, all departments. Here in the milk processing, it can actually increase the efficiency of the processing unit in the tune of 5 to 7%. Then with the help of inventory levels and avoiding the over inventory, it can actually save you good an amount of cost also, and improvement is there by 10 to 15%. Likewise, we have all given the other departments also like procurement, supply chain, finance, reporting and compliances. This all data is on our experience on working for last 4, 5, 6 years with the dairy existing clients. So this is what we can actually say, that improvements are there with the help of these systems. So these are our few existing accounts where we are dealing with. We have all across clients in India, starting from north, working towards west, as well as in the south also. In the south, and this is what all about. So thank you very much for the time. So any questions
Thank you.
you may
Thank you,
ask?
Rakesh. Yeah, thank you very much. The very nice and detailed presentation. I can understand that the things are because you were covering the largest span of the value chain. So that's why it will definitely take some time to put the things together.